ordered one lipstick. Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. Guys, it's 11:28, almost 11:30 and it's Wednesday today. Yesterday we ordered a lipstick from My Glam and it got delivered today. I'm very happy that it got delivered today. A few minutes or an hour ago, and I sanitized it and everything and kept it away for a few minutes, and this is the box guys. I just ordered one lipstick and this is the huge box they have given. Just look at it. And I'm loving the packaging. It is so glamorous. It is also written Live Glamorous. Just look at the packaging. Just loving it. So I'm just gonna open it in front of you guys. Dark purplish color, and my sister wanted to buy it. We ordered it yesterday, so I'm gonna open it now. Used to play when we were a child. And we are trying My Glam for the first time. This is how it looks like. This purple color shade. My Glam. Let me swatch it for you guys. It's a beautiful shade. Oh my god, just look at it. Such beautiful color. And my sister will love it, I'm sure. So guys, I applied this on my lips, as you guys can see. And this is how it looks. As it is a liquid lipstick, it takes a little bit time to get dried up. And this is the shade. I know I look a bit weird, but yeah, I'm liking it so far. But I'll just try this lipstick out, and if I feel like, I'll buy more lipstick from this brand. It is good, quite good. I'll just remove it. And there are many other shades also. You can check out their website. Actually, we have this purple shade, but it is a bit lighter. We wanted a bit darker shade, so we got this. As I removed the lipstick, I just love playing with these. Anyways, I'll start organizing the clothes now and vlog it for you guys. So let's start. It's 46 now. I just wasted 15 minutes. So guys, these are the clothes. This it's just not arranged properly, so I have to just organize it. And here is another set. These are the puja outfits, puja dress, which I have not even worn for once. I'll wear it afterwards. I've worn nothing from these clothes. We had so many clothes this puja, and these are still left. I have not even touched it or worn once outside. I've just worn them when I was shooting a video, puja outfit reveal, that video. I'll link it above. You can go check it out. You can see how it looks on me. It's a dress, beautiful dress. I'm yet to wear all these things. It's torn. cut this. These are my sister's dress. This one also. This one. This is a birthday dress. Done with this, I'll meet you after some time. This is my place where I can shoot, I can vlog and talk to you guys, because this is the only place where less noise comes. It becomes very difficult if there is noise, because it is difficult to shoot and it catches on the camera, the noise, the outside noise. So I have to come here and talk to you guys, and I have to close my door also. My sister will talk, my mother will talk, and it becomes very difficult to shoot. So yeah, we uploaded the 4 fun challenge video, and it is already uploaded. Please go check it out. We had a lot of fun while filming it. I hope you guys have that much of fun watching it, and we'll try to do more such fun content and fun video challenges and everything. I am trying to put more fun content for you guys to watch. Yeah, and vlogs also, because I love vlogging. And I'll do vlogs, and I'll try to be consistent and post 3 videos per week. I'll at least try. I'm not sure I'll be able to do it or not, but I'll try my level best to post content on YouTube. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because it will help us grow. It will motivate us to put more entertaining content for you guys. So yeah, that's what it is. I was just editing the clips that I shot in the morning. The audio was not matching with the video, and I was so frustrated. The audio part is fixed, so I just thought of coming here and giving you an update about it. And I'll see you after I do something interesting, so I'll vlog that for you guys. So guys, I'm going out. I got ready. I'm wearing this thing, and I have to go out, buy some stuffs, so let's go. Guys, we are back and we bought some stuffs, so we are going to show it to you. Minimal stuffs we got. So here is the packet, and she also got a new shoe
for my birthday.
So this is the first thing that we got is
Ayurka cleansing milk,
deep cleansing milk. This is how it looks. Next we have is this eyeliner, inside waterproof eyeliner. This one, actually we had the matte one, but we had the inside matte eyeliner, which is very good, but
it did not last long.
Yeah,
it dried up very fast.
Yeah, so we got the normal one, not the matte one. And the last we got is,
we have got this Joy Honey and Almonds. It's very good as a cold cream. Even it has properties of sunscreen.
So we use this, and the final product is this.
My shoe.
So, is the shoe. This is how it looks.
Comfy shoes.
Tell your struggle with your shoe, with your new shoes. You guys will see. You guys have already seen by this time. Tell your struggle.
The size of my foot is horrible. Hardly any shoe fits my feet. So this was the one I felt very comfortable wearing it.
So that's why she got it. You guys have already seen that how many shoes she has changed because it was not fitting her. So that is her struggle story.
मेरी struggle यही से शुरू होती है.
So yeah,
This is it for the video.
hope you guys like it.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.